Guys, Matty here again. The fun continues on this lovely day. We've got another block drain out in Helensvale. This time it's on the kitchen, so we'll show you what that looks like. Got the drain clean set up. As you can see, it's just very much blocked, so we'll run this through, get it clear. Stay with us. So now that we've got the drain clear, we'll come through with our camera. As you can see, we've got tree roots. This line goes all the way down there. We're going to use the locator now to pinpoint exactly where that blockage was causing the issues, and then we'll go from there. Stay tuned. Alright, so we've just used the locator now with our camera, come all the way down and found the blockage right here. If we have a look on our monitor, you can see it's about 1.5 deep meters. So being this in this area, we're going to give the customer the option to pipe reline, as we have very good access, so no digging will need to be done. Stay tuned. Alright guys, job done, drains are operational, customer can go back to enjoying their weekend worry free. We've also given them a quote that they're happy to go ahead with for pipe relining, which is a long-term solution and they won't have to do this again. So we've also cleaned down our area, sprayed this liquid concentrate just to try and eliminate any bacteria that may have been caused through the process of drain cleaning. So if you guys have any issues with drain blockages, want some pipe relining done, anything plumbing related, just call the experts. We'll be happy to help. See you on the next.
Call Gold Coast Plumbing Experts on 1300 600 632.